This is the Dollar General wooden nativity set that I found just this week for only $3 at our local Dollar General. Check it out. There was only one left, so you might have to ask about it. Now I'm going to put just one solid coat over the whole set, front and back. Take care to do the inside, around the inside edges of everything. Now I'm going to paint the base and try not to get into the grooves, and I did not paint the very bottom edge of each of the figures. I just want it to be able to fit into the grooves a little better because it's a little tight, once you put paint on it. It takes the paint very well. Only one coat's needed. I had to stop for some coffee. And now we're going to dry brush some white chalk paint and give it that striation that makes it look more like wood. I'm going a little heavy on it here, and you can go lighter if you like a little bit lighter look. Of course, you can paint it anything you want. You can start out with white and then put a little gray, make it look more like a gray barn wood if you like. I'm trying to get it as much like the Kirkland's set as possible. I'll show you a picture of that here in just a little bit. The Kirkland set was $21, and this is only going to cost me $3 because I have some other things in my stockpile. I'm going to go front and back on this so that you can turn it around, make your animals face whichever direction you want. And you'll be able to build this in the fashion that you'd like. And if you want to glue the pieces in place, you can always glue the pieces in place, but I want to leave mine where I can take it apart and put it up for Christmas, when I put my Christmas things away, and redo it however I want to. Now, I don't paint the base. I just do all the little critters and the people. I want the base to look like dirt. After all, he was born in a manger. Our little Jesus. And see, there it's all done, and there's the Kirkland set. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the Walmart wire garland and some Dollar Tree beads from the picks that Dollar Tree has available right now. They're really pretty, and you can just add the whole thing to anything, and it just really dresses it up. See how I've got it all in there? In between the little people, you can put straw or some raffia, even some Spanish moss. I might add some Spanish moss after a while. I just thought that up. Y'all give me some more ideas in the comments if you think of something that would really look cute on this. Here I'm going to take a few of the little beads, and they give me heck, so it falling apart. But I'm going to glue those on with a little bit of hot glue. And look how pretty. I just think that's really pretty. For $3 and a few things that I had left over in my stash, this turns out to be kind of a classy looking little thing. I'm going to put it up on a shelf with some other Christmas decorations, and I think it's going to stand out real nice. Awesome. Please like, subscribe, share, and ring the notification bell to see the rest of my videos. See you next time.